Welcome to Smart Auto. The 2025 Hitachi ZX200-5G is a next-generation excavator designed to provide superior performance, durability, and efficiency for construction and excavation projects. This model features advanced hydraulic technology, a powerful engine, and an ergonomically designed cabin, making it an ideal choice for professionals who require reliability and precision in their operations. With improvements in power, fuel efficiency, and operator comfort, the ZX200-5G stands out as a versatile and high-performing machine in the industry. At the heart of the 2025 Hitachi ZX200-5G is a high-output, fuel-efficient engine that meets modern emission standards while delivering robust power. This engine is designed to reduce fuel consumption without compromising on performance, making it a cost-effective solution for long-term use. The engine's advanced cooling system ensures optimal temperature regulation, allowing the machine to perform efficiently even in extreme conditions. The integration of an intelligent hydraulic system further enhances performance, ensuring smooth operation, faster response times, and improved digging force. One of the key strengths of this excavator is its reinforced structure. The ZX200-5G features a heavy-duty boom and arm, built with high-strength steel to withstand demanding work environments. The robust undercarriage provides excellent stability, ensuring better traction and balance when operating on uneven terrain. This design minimizes wear and tear, extending the lifespan of the machine and reducing maintenance costs. Additionally, the bucket is engineered for maximum durability, allowing for higher productivity with minimal downtime. The operator's experience has been significantly enhanced in the 2025 Hitachi ZX200-5G. The spacious and modern cabin is designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring maximum comfort and efficiency. The large glass windows provide excellent visibility, reducing blind spots and allowing for more precise operation. The fully adjustable air suspension seat ensures a comfortable working experience, even during long hours of operation. Advanced noise and vibration reduction technology has also been incorporated, ensuring a quieter and smoother ride. The control panel in the ZX200-5G is equipped with an intuitive digital display, providing real-time information on fuel levels, engine performance, hydraulic pressure, and other critical parameters. This monitoring system helps operators maintain optimal efficiency while also identifying potential maintenance needs before they become serious issues. The joystick controls are highly responsive, allowing for precise maneuvering of the boom, arm, and bucket, resulting in improved accuracy and productivity on the job site. Safety has been a top priority in the design of the 2025 Hitachi ZX200-5G. The machine comes with a reinforced ROPS rollover protective structure cabin, designed to protect the operator in the event of an accident. The rear-view camera system provides a clear view of the area behind the excavator, reducing the risk of collisions. Additional safety features include anti-slip steps, handrails, and LED work lights for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. In terms of maintenance, the ZX200-5G is designed for ease of serviceability. The machine features easily accessible service points, making routine maintenance tasks more convenient. The centralized lubrication system ensures that key components are properly lubricated, reducing wear and prolonging the machine's lifespan. The self-diagnostic system alerts operators to any potential mechanical issues, allowing for quick and efficient troubleshooting. This excavator is also designed with environmental sustainability in mind. The fuel-efficient engine reduces emissions, contributing to a greener worksite. The hydraulic system has been optimized to minimize energy waste, ensuring that the machine operates at peak efficiency while conserving fuel. Hitachi has also incorporated advanced filtration systems to reduce air and fluid contamination, further enhancing the machine's longevity and environmental friendliness. Another notable feature of the 2025 Hitachi ZX200-5G is its adaptability. The excavator is compatible with a wide range of attachments, including hydraulic breakers, grapples, and augers, allowing it to be used for various applications. Whether working on heavy excavation, demolition, or material handling, this machine can be easily customized to meet specific job requirements. The ZX200-5G also includes smart technology integration, allowing for remote monitoring and data analysis. Fleet managers can track machine performance, fuel consumption, and service intervals through a cloud-based platform, ensuring efficient operation and proactive maintenance planning. This connectivity enhances productivity and reduces downtime, making it a valuable tool for businesses that require reliable and efficient machinery. When it comes to real-world applications, the 2025 Hitachi ZX200-5G is ideal for a wide range of industries, including construction, mining, infrastructure development, and agriculture. Its powerful performance, durability, and fuel efficiency make it a cost-effective solution for companies looking to maximize their operational efficiency. The machine's ease of use and advanced control system ensure that operators can work with precision and confidence, reducing errors and improving overall productivity. Overall, the 2025 Hitachi ZX200-5G is a state-of-the-art excavator that combines power, efficiency, and advanced technology to deliver outstanding performance. From its fuel-efficient engine and robust construction to its comfortable cabin and intelligent control system, this machine is designed to meet the demands of modern job sites. Whether you are an independent contractor or managing a large fleet of construction equipment, the ZX200-5G offers reliability and value, making it a smart investment for any business.